welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to share one of the video by Paru Garg. Let's get started. Okay, so I have purchased this lipstick and it is the Chocolate Cosmos. Whenever you are applying the lipstick, start with the lip balm. Okay, start with the lip balm. This is my lip balm. So I'll apply this first. So after applying it nicely, just take a tissue and do it like this. After that, this is my Paru Garg lipstick, Chocolate Cosmos. So first I'll show you on my hand how it is looking. This is the nude color. As you can see, it's very beautiful. Now let's apply on our lips. So whenever you are applying, just make sure that the quantity should be enough. Don't do like this and start applying. You have to just take it out and then remove lipstick by doing like this. Gently apply. Okay, as you can see, my shade, it's very pretty, looking so beautiful. And it's smudge proof, waterproof, and it's good to go. When you will apply it, you will feel dryness after 5 to 6 hours, because I have already applied it, I have already used it. I made this video for you. But yeah, you can take it out, then you can apply it and you can go. So overall it's good. It's very good. The price for the lipstick is 895, but in between they are giving the offers. So I hope you like this video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel and share it with your friends. Bye.